Good morning everyone. Our project is Smart E-Truck Vision for Single Lanes. This system is designed to provide real-time front road visibility to drivers behind large vehicles to prevent accidents during overtaking. This is a prototype version of the hardware setup. We used an ESP32 cam to capture live video, a 12-volt solar panel and a 12 volts battery for continuous power, and an LMT2596 buck converter to step down 12 volts to 5 volts for the ESP32. The camera is mounted in front of the truck and the rear side has a smartphone display to show the video stream. We have programmed the ESP32 cam using Arduino IDE with the camera web server code. After powering on, the module connects to the truck's Wi-Fi network and generates an IP address, which is entered into a browser on the rear side of the smartphone. We can see that the camera live streams the road ahead in real time. The following driver views this on the smartphone mounted at the back of the truck. This helps them to see clearly the oncoming traffic and make safe overtaking decisions.